Okay, so I've done this once, and it messed up my audio, and I don't know if it's because of my air conditioner running in the background or what, but I have already done this once, so I'm gonna hope that it does it this time. So basically, all you missed was me putting the gifts in, and yeah, I picked several different ones because I wasn't sure which one was gonna work, but okay. So the first thing you're gonna do, I actually already have it done, but I'm gonna do it again so you can see, but I go to new project and file, and then new, and yeah, it'll say new project, and I put in the size. This is the size that I personally use, and then it'll normally say white background, but I change it to transparent, and then you create a new file thingy, and I size it up to work. So I'm just going to close this one out since I made this one. And then as far as the gifts go, I just, as long as they are somewhat the same size, like in the sense of that these are all like rectangle, and yeah, they don't need to be the exact same size, but if they're vastly different, it'll make a big deal. But then I go to edit and free transform, and then I just size Steve up a little, and I'm going to scoot him down a bit so that there's room. And then I used this GIF, and take and move it, and then I resized him as well because he looks kind of small. Try to resize him the best I can. Okay, and then as far as frames go, so like this one has 81 and this one has 27, so I am going to click on the top frame and hit shift, and then go down to 28 because it has 27, and then right click and delete so that they have the same number of frames. And then you're going to go down and make sure you're clicked on the whole folder of the one that you want to like erase stuff from, and add a raster mask. And then I go to the eraser, and you can play with the size and stuff, but generally I keep the hardness down a bit and then mess with the size as I go. But then you can just start erasing, and that's, if you need to go back at all, you can use the history tool. I'm gonna move this down a bit. Okay, thank you for that. And then just kind of, you can change the size as you need. Like, I'm being a little more specific about erasing some of the details, but hopefully, sometimes they blend together better than others, but generally that's good. I may size him up just a bit more. Scooch. Okay. But yeah, and then you can go to image, layer and animation and merge, and then it'll be a GIF. And then I usually add a PSD, which this is the one I've been using, and it looks nice. So yeah. and then you can go to export as and a GIF, and it will be here as a GIF. And you can see them. So, yes, if you need help, I can try to help, but hopefully it records this time.